Today's recipe is Baingan Raita. Baingan is also known as brinjal or aubergine. For this recipe we need one big or long brinjal. You need about 200 grams of yogurt. You can decrease or increase the level according to the brinjals used. You need salt as per taste. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This red chili powder can be adjusted according to your spice level. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. A bunch of coriander leaves or cilantro parsley leaves cut finely. So to start the process, we will cut this brinjal into round circles, and we need to cut them slim. I've heated oil in this pan, so I'll just add in a little salt, and we can fry these round brinjal in the oil. This Brinjal Raita can be served with any biryani, or it can just be had by itself. It's really yummy. There are plenty of choices to enjoy this raita. I need to fry these till they're a bit golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan. Just put it here. The brinjals seem fried, and I'll just remove it from the pan and transfer it to a plate. Just try to drain off the oil if you can. Add in a few more. It should look like this after it's fried, and make sure that the brinjals are actually cooked. Now these brinjals are ready. I have put a small frying pan to prepare the tempering. I'll just add in a little salt to the fried brinjal and just stir it well. Also, I'll add in the cilantro leaves. You can make more quantity of this raita and serve it along with your curries, your biryanis, rice. You can just enjoy it plain too. I'll add in the yogurt too. Use according to the quantity of your brinjal. Just mix everything up well. Now I can feel the oil is a bit hot. I'll just pour in the 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for the sizzling sound. Once the sizzling sound starts, I'll switch off the stove, and I'll add in the red chili powder and then pour this tempering over my raita. Sizzling of the mustard seeds have started. I'll just turn the stove off. Add in my red chili powder at this stage. Don't add it while it's tempering, while the mustard seeds are in the beginning stage. Just add it here. Just keep a plate shielding the splashes from the oil. Brinjal Raita, also known as Baingan Raita or Aubergine Raita, ready to serve.